Okay, Tony, you're back. All right, Tony, are you ready to check your answers?
Yes.
Okay, so here, before we check, let's review first. Tony, what's the hobby of your son?
Is walk in the mountain.
Climbing in the mountain. Next, how about her sister? What's the hobby?
Her hobby is fishing.
Fishing. How about her uncle?
Her uncle. Her
It's
is dancing.
dancing. And how about her daughter? What's the hobby?
Is badminton.
Badminton. And how about her cousin?
Is swimming in the river.
Swimming in the river. Okay, let's check now your answer, Tony. So we have here the following. So what are the hobbies of this family members? So first, we have the Tony. Daughter's hobby is not playing badminton, but it's letter D, sailing in the lake. Next, correct with the son. Son's hobby is climbing the mountain. Next, very good with the sister, fishing. Next, uncle is not dancing, but it's playing badminton, letter E. And cousin is correct, swimming. So Tony, you only got 3 out of 5 correct answers. So you have to be careful, Tony, in answering. All right. Okay, so let's go now to the next one. So look at here, Tony. What do you think about the hobbies below? Are these hobbies exciting, cool, or dangerous? What do you think, Tony? What can you say about these hobbies? Is it exciting for you? Is it cool, or is it dangerous? What do you think? The hobbies are? What can you say about the hobbies? Climbing, swimming, cooking, sailing, playing badminton, dancing, ice skating, and fishing. Are these hobbies exciting? Which one, Tony? Look at here. Tony, where are you? Okay, look at here, Tony. What do you think is the most exciting hobby in the picture? How about cool? Which one is cool? Cool is which one do you think is the cool hobby here?
River.
Cool hobby is?
Bố ơi, bố. Sao khi mua con cứ chạm đấy cái màu ghi đi làm cứ đau thế nào?
Đâu, tại vì đây nó đo điện, nó đo cái nữa mà.
Rồi chí.
Okay, which one do you think is scary?
Vì
Scary. Okay, so Tony, please read your answers. Number 1, I love.
I love badminton. It's very
Really?
exciting.
Again, really.
It's really exciting. Swim in the river is cool. I
Climb.
think climb is dangerous and scary too.
Okay, so here you have answered. You said, I love badminton because it's really exciting. Oh, swimming, not swim in the river, but you will say swimming in the river is cool. And you will say, I think climbing, not climb but only, but it's climbing. I think climbing is dangerous and scary too. Tony, can I ask you, why do you think climbing is dangerous and scary? Why you said it's dangerous and scary?
Because I'm scary high.
What's I scary high? Ah, you are scared of height. Are you scared of heights?
Yes.
Oh, that's why you said it's dangerous and scary. Now, Tony, from these 8 hobbies, which one here do you like the best? Which one you like the best? I like
Dancing.
dancing. Why you like dancing? Why do you choose it?
Yes. Dancing is funny.
Dancing is fun and only because it's fun. Do you know how to dance, Tony?
Yes.
Wow, you love dancing. How about in school? Where do you dance? Do you dance in school?
I
In
dance
the
in
house?
the school and the house.
Oh, you dance in the school and in the house. Very good. Why you love it? Why you like to dance? Because it's
Because it's
aside from you like it, what's the other reason why you chose dancing?
because I like it.
I like it. Is it fun? Is it fun?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
that's good to hear. Okay, what else, Tony? Aside from dancing, choose one more hobby here that you like.
My hobby is dancing.
Only dancing? Only one?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
how about playing? Do you
Oh,
also what?
my second hobby is badminton.
Badminton. Do you play badminton often?
Yes.
Oh, when do you usually play badminton? How about this morning or afternoon? Have you played badminton? Did you play a while ago?
What is a while ago?
It was like, let's say this morning or the afternoon.
I play the afternoon.
Oh, you played in the afternoon with badminton. Who's your playmate? Who do you play with?
I play with my dad.
Oh, are you good at playing badminton?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Is that your favorite sport, badminton?
No, my favorite sport is dancing.
Sport. How about the ball games? Other games aside from dancing, aside from badminton, what other activities like playing that you do? What else, Tony? Dancing is not a sport. Come on, aside from badminton, what else do you love to play? I love to play.
Mm, I love to play.
What?
Mm.
Hmm?
Mm, mm, mm.
I love to play
Soccer.
soccer. Oh, that's your second. Your first is badminton. And your second is soccer. Okay, Tony. Hello. All right. All right, Tony.
Ai,
So I think we don't have any more time left. So we will end there. So actually, Tony, we are not yet done with Unit 16. Okay? We will still do Unit 16 on Monday. Okay? Because we are not yet done. All right, Tony? Hello. All right.
Hello.
Okay, so that's all for today, Tony. Goodbye for now, Tony, and see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.